Oh my god! Look at that! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be installing Clifford's new headlights. In just a second I'll show you guys exactly why, because these ones that are on here currently are causing some problems, and two, they suck. And again, we'll go through why. But before we do, I kind of want to go into why I haven't really been uploading anything to the channel. I do have a lot more things that honestly I've already purchased and I have ready and set to install. But the main reason that I haven't, and honestly haven't really been doing much with the car or posting pictures or anything of that nature, is because if you guys seen the last video, which I'll leave a card right here, we ended up installing a new engine after blowing or hurting my last one, and ever since then I've been doing data logs with Auto Mafia Racing, because of course I'm still working with them. They're still going to be the tuner of this car and helping me ensure that we are building save boost and have a perfect tune. Which, that being said, if you guys want to check out any of their stuff, link in the description. Auto Mafia Racing. Also use my discount code or the link, because if you guys do, I get a small kickback, and also you guys potentially could get a small percentage off order. So look into the description. But anyways, currently I am recording the video of us doing the data log, sending the information back to Auto Mafia, and then kind of going back and forth. Currently the last pull I did was third gear all the way to 4,000 RPM. Again, we're going very slow just to ensure that as we climb up the RPMs and also as we increase boost, that we are doing it safely. So I don't want to do another moon tune. I mean, I never had a moon tune, but I don't want to do a one pull and then just go straight up red line, and then, you know, if the tune is not good, then obviously things could go bad. So we're doing small increments, which again, huge shout out to Auto Mafia Racing. They did actually help me in a way which I think we'll end up doing that today to give a little pizzazz to the car, and I'll show you guys what I mean later. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get started with what today's video is about. Let's go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys why we're installing new headlights. So let's start off with the left headlight. So obviously the car is a little wet right now, and I don't know how crystal clear you'll be able to see it. Let me get the key fob to show you guys. But there's a lot of fog in that headlight. Like, there's just a lot of nastiness going on here, and it's not even condensation inside or it being wet. It's just it's old and faded. And then on this side has been a different predicament on its own. I mean, same thing, it's old and faded, but the last owner, I'm thinking that he had a bumper replacement and or he hit something without me knowing until after I bought this car. But this headlight doesn't actually sit correctly, and let me show you what I mean. So there is some, let me see if I can, you might be able to see it in that corner right here. If I move the headlight, there's some play in it, because this bolt, one of these bolts that hold the headlight, actually broke on the actual headlight housing, and because of that, unfortunately, this is another predicament. It causes body gaps. So it causes this bumper right here where it attaches to always pop out. And I know it's the headlight because I can push this in and it snaps in all the way. Well, right now because the bumper's pushing out. But it will snap in here, and then after time it'll bow out. And that doesn't happen on the other side of the bumper, because again, every time you push in it, I mean, this is perfectly in line and everything else. So because of those two reasons, one, they're faded, and this one, again, once I take it out, I'll show you where the screw is no longer actually inserting there, and that will kind of identify why this side of the bumper is always popping out. But guys, Clifford is super dirty, and after this we're probably going to go take her out for a car wash to kind of show off the new headlights. But I got the new headlights here in onto my right. Let's go ahead and set the tripod up, and then unbox the headlights and show you with what kind of style headlights I went with. That being said, I did order these headlights about 6-7 months ago, so this was before I got the car. And yeah, so again, let me set the tripod up and let's get started. Box these, I don't really want to give too much of a hint of what they are. Probably the thumbnail, if I'm going to be honest, is going to be me showing them, so I don't know how the thumbnail is going to be quite yet. So you guys probably already spoilers, or probably already know, so no need to really hide it, but I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet. So yeah, anyways, let's Let's go ahead and break these open. Also, I am looking to upgrade this because this prop rod freaking sucks. I don't know why Ford did this on any Mustang, honestly. I mean, they're sports cars, muscle cars, sports car, whatever you want to call it. I know they don't have them any longer on the newer Mustangs, but they should have at least done it on the 2018 to 2022 Mustangs, or 23 actually. But oh well. I mean, I understand that mine at least is a base model, obviously V6, so I'm not complaining. But honestly, Ford, come on, why did it take so long for you guys to upgrade? Let me know in the comment section below. I mean, do you guys think that they waited too long? I personally do, but you know, to each their own. And wow, they're actually packaged very, very well. Like as soon as I got them, I kind of just left them in the box and was just like, oh well, I'll get to it when I get to it. Also, for anyone wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses, because it's not very dark. I've kind of had some issues with my eyes lately. So, one, if you guys see me blink a lot, I apologize when I'm not wearing sunglasses. I had LASIK surgery here in the last couple months, and I've had a lot of things go wrong. So, I'm on a lot of medication, and because of that, my eyes kind of are always feeling dry and stuff. But, anyways, so here's the first one. Let's go ahead and get this one out and then get the other one out, and then I'll unbox it fully and show you what they look like. The passenger side. And this one already comes with everything pre-installed, so nothing for me to do here. Like I don't need to take the so like this one I don't need to take this off the main one because some of the headlights do require you to do that. Comes already with all the bulbs. I just obviously need to connect them, and this is probably why we have those posi connectors. There's a little wire here, which honestly I don't know what the heck it's about. And then obviously your bolts and stuff where everything mounts up. But let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this. But shabam! Let me take. Hopefully I haven't scratched them. I'm gonna probably put them back in the box until I get the old ones off. But look at this. So this is honestly kind of an S650 style-ish, you can say. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3 bulbs. They're all HID or LED. I don't remember what they are. But yeah, and then you have a daytime running light on the bottom going up to the curve right here, which honestly, I think this is going to be looking mean and aggressive. Well, actually, this is the passenger side, not the driver's side. But I think that, oh, that thing's going to look sick. Sick, sick, sick. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, do you guys like it? Do you guys don't? Do you guys think it's a little corny because, you know, the S650? They do make an S650 style for the S550, but the ones that we're looking at were like $1,000. And to be fully transparent, I think I paid $500 for these, so a lot cheaper, and obviously for two. And again, I bought this about 6-7 months ago, so it's been quite a while since I've had these. It's just one, I didn't have the car, and I wanted to get a lot of things prepped for when I did have the car, so that way whenever she's back, we're rocking and rolling. But alrighty, well, with you guys seeing this, let's go ahead and put the car on a ramp, and let's go ahead and start uninstalling the bumper, getting everything we need to be able to remove the old headlights, and then we'll do some B-roll, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like?
We finally got the bumper uninstalled. Sorry if I'm a little shaky because I'm actually holding the camera by hand. And guys, let me know. I've been considering, it's a lot of money, and honestly I don't know how much more money I want to put in this car, because I mean I'm gonna honestly own this car probably to the day I die. But I do eventually potentially want to own a 2025 Mustang GT, because honestly I want to do either a Whipple, VMP, some kind of supercharger that does 800 wheel horsepower and can handle it. This, we can see when we got close to the 600, this car no longer liked it, so we're going to keep it a little lower. We're going to keep it around the 450, 500-ish, whatever 7 PSI does, because I don't want to risk blowing another engine, because honestly this was a financial disaster on my end. which I've learned, but you know, you live and you learn. You live and you learn for sure. But I do want to do another bumper, and honestly, it's stupid because it almost looks identical to this bumper. I like the 500 bumper, but I love the canard look. So I don't know if I want to do a 500 yet or not. And if not, I was thinking of doing, which hear me out, and I'll post pictures. I want to do a Mach 1, which looks identical to this, right? It's just a different grill, but a Mach 1 with a handling lip, because I don't think the handling lip can fit this GT350 MP Concepts bumper. And then the 777 Mach 1 bumper, they have canards that actually are meant for that, and they sell them themselves. They go here, which I'll show a picture right now, and that's kind of what I'm wanting to go to, because I think it looks like a lot meaner, a lot aggressive, or I should say more aggressive with the track handling lip and then the other canards. But let me know. The main reason why is because if you guys don't know, I have a huge chip on the bumper right there. And overall, this bumper could use a respray. Like, once it's all cleaned and tidied up, it doesn't look that bad, but it does have its issues with it as well. So, but yeah, let me show you what I meant now that we're here of this headlight. So I don't know how well you're going to see it. Let me get a flashlight. So right there where this bolt connects to the headlight, you can see, I'm trying to wiggle it as well, but I mean that thing completely moves, and with time I feel like that is hitting the bumper, because right now I mean it had just free reign to do whatever it wants. So it's supposed to sit a little high up, but it can also just sag. So that's one reason I think the bumper actually pokes out on this end. But also, again, you can see these are very, very hazy, so kind of ugly. And I'm hoping that the new ones also give a lot more light when I'm driving, especially at night, because cops, if you're watching, please look away, because I don't want to get a ticket. I don't know how dark my side windows are, so I'm pretty sure I'm in compliance with that. And with the rear, I think I am, but I do have tint on my front windshield on the whole glass, which makes it obviously a lot darker. Crappy headlights, I mean, it makes it a nightmare. So again, let me set you up on the tripod. We'll remove all 3 bolts that hold this, remove them, and then install the new ones, and hopefully they look amazing.
I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground into.
Well guys, let's get the first look of what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, I was an idiot and left the car on, or the battery connected, so you should be able to see what they look like now. Hopefully I don't damage anything by doing this, but you live and you learn. You live and you learn. So let's go ahead and lock the car and let's see what the lights look like. Let me find my keys. Oh my god! Look at that! For daylight running. Oh my lord. Let me pull you in. And honestly, this was with my own money, so obviously I'm going to be as honest as possible. They look amazing, but one flaw I can see already. You can see here, there's a little plastic piece that doesn't look quite like it's meant to be there, like right there. I guess for the daylight running headlight. But honestly, from afar, I mean, I'm just picky because I mean I know what the car. Oh my god! I'm so sorry. I'm just rambling because I'm out of words. Because one, this is crystal clear, and that looks just fabulous. I can't wait to turn it on with the lights. Again, old, nasty. You kind of can tell. Do it again. Do it again. Just old and nasty, and then crisp, clean, clear. And before we stop here, I do have some ceramic coating that I have, and we're actually going to be applying to this headlight and the other one before I put the bumper on. So I probably should have done it before I removed before I put the headlight on, but we'll do that. But oh my god, this is going to transform the front end of it so much, in my opinion. Alrighty guys, well, Clifford is back together. I'm not going to show the reveal. I'm not going to reveal how it looks quite yet. First and foremost, I'm going to change up. I'm going to honestly clean up a little bit because I'm a little dirty. My whole pants are dirty, so I don't really want to get in Clifford with all dirt and everything on me, so I'm going to go change. And then additionally, we need to give Clifford a real good scrubbing. As you can see, if it focuses, this car is super dirty. There's so much freaking bird poop everywhere, and it's just extremely dirty. But it's also raining, so because of that, I'm not gonna end up doing it, or I'm not gonna end up hand washing the car, because normally that's what I like to do. I like to hand wash it, ensure it looks beautiful. I get all the grinding and everything off. So we're gonna take it to a, not a drive-through wash or whatever, but one where I can actually use a little tool and actually do it myself. So that way, one, it's just a touchless wash, and then two, I know, Jesus, I keep putting my hand in front of the camera, but at least that way I know it's at least a decent wash. Again, it's not gonna look fabulous. And then from there, I'm gonna do some B-roll, so I'm gonna go grab my gimbal, and then yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the new look. I think it fits the car perfectly. It gives that extra aggression, honestly, and also it just looks clean, because I mean, they're brand new. Obviously the old ones look like trash. And let me show you something that I've seen once I looked at the left one. So not only did that tap break, but we had a whole gaping hole right there that just led stuff and condensation into that headlight. But needless to say, guys, I hope you guys like this video. We are not done yet, but as always, if you guys want to like, comment, subscribe, and guys, remember, you gotta grind to shine. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the B-roll, and if I don't end the video off with saying anything, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.